Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail, pomegranate juice based mocktail, that is Pomo Rose Cooler Mocktail. How to make Pomo Rose Cooler Mocktail? First of all, take a 20 ml of rose syrup, okay? You have to take 20 ml of rose syrups. After that, you have to pour 60 ml of pomegranate juice. See, 60 to 120 ml of pomegranate juice you have to pour. This is stirring method. After that, just fill the glass with Sprite and soda. Very simple mocktail. 15 to 20 ml of rose syrup, 60 to 120 ml of pomegranate juice, and simply you have to fill the glass with soda and Sprite. This is the Pomo Rose Cooler Mocktail. Serve with straw and garnish with lime slices. See, very fancy mocktail you can try. Yes. After that, you have to squeeze some lemon. Yes. Now your mocktail is ready. That mocktail name is Pomo Rose Cooler Mocktail. Rose syrups, or pomegranate juice, and Sprite and soda and lemon juice. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.